What if I told you you could teleport onto the surface of the sun for just 1 nanosecond? Would you feel a warm glow, or would you instantly disintegrate into space dust? Well, that's exactly what AJ asked. When I was 8, shoveling snow in freezing Colorado, I wished I could instantly teleport to the surface of the sun, just for a nanosecond, then snap back. Would that warm me up? Sounds like something out of sci-fi, right? Let's break it down with real physics. The surface of the sun is around 5,800 Kelvin. Hotter than anything on Earth, but in the universe of stars, it's basically the sun's chill zone. A nanosecond is 1 billionth of a second. In that time, light travels about 1 foot. So what happens if you spend that tiny sliver of time basking in the sun? Not much. In fact, you'd absorb so little energy, you wouldn't even feel warmer. Your eyes might register a quick flash, but even that would be delayed. Your retinal cells would only start reacting after you got home. We're talking 30 million nanoseconds later. That's 30 milliseconds, just enough time for your brain to say, wait, did something just happen? Your skin? It absorbs about 10 joules per cm superscript 2. That's like waving your hand past a candle for 0.0000001 seconds. So yeah, you'd survive. Not fried. Not warmed. Just confused. But here's the catch: what if you got your coordinates wrong? Instead of landing on the surface, you popped into the core of the sun for a nanosecond? That, my friend, is game over. Inside the sun, temperatures soar into the millions of degrees. And worse, the radiation isn't just visible light, it's a wave of X-rays that slice straight through your cells, cooking your internal organs and shredding your DNA before your skin even feels warm. How bad is it? A femtosecond, a millionth of a nanosecond, would already give you second-degree burns. You spent a full 1 million femtoseconds down there. Let's just say there's no coming back. The Greek myth of Icarus warned us about flying too close to the sun. But it wasn't proximity that killed him. It was duration. Because heat isn't just about temperature, it's about time and exposure. So here's the lesson. With a little time, even a tiny flame can melt steel. And with just the right moment, even the sun might spare you. Got a wild what-if question like AJ's? Drop it in the comments, and who knows, maybe your curiosity will fuel our next mind-bending episode. And hey, if this flash of science blew your mind, tap that like button like you're escaping the solar core fast. Subscribe for more tiny questions with huge answers.